Hello everyone, I'm Fritz Esportono, an instructor of Iloilo Science and Technology University in the Philippines. Today, I will be showing you how to gamify your online classroom. Over 1.2 billion children today are out of classroom due to pandemic. As a result, education has changed dramatically with distinctive rise of e-learning whereby teaching is undertaken remotely and on digital platforms. Gamification is the integration of game elements like point systems, leaderboards, badges, or other elements related to games into conventional learning activities to increase engagement and motivation. In ideal gamified learning environments, students can see the online badges that their peers have earned to create a sense of camaraderie or competition. Most games feature elements such as rules, goals, interaction, feedback, problem solving, competition, story, and fun. Though not all of the elements are needed to successfully gamify a learning activity, carefully selecting those elements that help meet the learning objectives of the course can be useful. The following are the pedagogical value of game features often associated with gamification. Similar to conventional grading schemes, game points or experience or XP systems reward students for completing various tasks, assignments, or assessments. Game or XP points can introduce some useful affordances to learning environments. Points can also be supplemented by academic rewards. When a certain point threshold is reached, a student might be given an extra week to submit an assignment or bonus question on the next test. Badges are a digital way to acknowledge student work. For example, students might receive a badge if they achieve certain levels of success on assignments, or if they do additional work such as submitting a draft or sharing notes with another student. Student badges may be displayed to other learners in the class as a means to encourage competition or to demonstrate the variety of badges that can be earned. Competition can motivate students and can be leveraged by leaderboards that showcase the distribution of point totals that students have accumulated through various learning activities. However, caution must be taken when constructing leaderboards because displacing all students in order of point totals can be disincentive for students at the bottom. Consider using a system in which students see only the two students who are directly above them and below them to foster a healthy sense of competition without discouraging students who are performing poorly. In this video, I will introduce another gamification application which is called ClassGraph. Let's try to gamify your online course. are different teaching and learning strategies available, and gamification might be the most effective technique for you. Remember, when you and your students are connected, teaching and learning are more fulfilling and efficient. Thank you very much. This is once again Fritz Esportono from the Philippines. Thank you.